In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wells Fargo account number using the app. Whether you're setting up direct deposits, paying bills, or simply need to verify your account details, knowing how to find your account number quickly is essential. Let's walk through this process together step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to visit the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device, to get it installed. Once you're in, sign in using your preferred method, whether that's Face ID, Touch ID, or your username and password. It's crucial to keep this information secure to protect your bank account. After you've successfully signed in, you should see a list of your accounts displayed on the screen. Locate the account you're interested in and tap on its tile. For example, if you want to view the details for your everyday checking account, you'll tap there. Each of these tiles represents a separate account, so choose accordingly. Next, you'll need to access the account's detailed information. On the account overview page, look carefully for any label that says Account Details, Account Services, or perhaps you'll see a small three-dot menu or a tiny gear icon, depending on your version of the app. Once you find it, tap Account Details. Just remember, the exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates to the app. Inside the Account Details section, you'll typically see a masked account number displaying only the last 4 digits. Don't worry, this is just a security feature. To see the full account number, look for an option that says Show Account Number or something similar. When you tap that, you might be prompted to re-authenticate for security reasons. This means you'll need to enter your password again, or use your biometric logins like Face ID or Touch ID. Now, if for some reason you can't access it through the app, there's an alternative method. From the account page, navigate to the Statements and Documents section. When you open the most recent statement, usually a PDF file, you'll often find your full account number listed there. Sometimes these are also partially masked, but generally the full number is visible. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find your Wells Fargo account number using the app. Remember to keep your account details confidential and safeguard your login information at all times. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. See you in the next video.